पीटीए, फिर एफटीए, फिर कस्टम यूनियन, फिर कॉमन मार्केट, फिर माइनॉरिटी इकोनॉमिक यूनियन। अब पिलर 4A सेक्टर ऑफ इकोनॉमी एग्रीकल्चर देखते हैं। मोदी गवर्नमेंट टारगेट डबल फार्मर्स इनकम बाय 2022-23 compared by 2015-16 under SDG 1 and poverty in all forms. UN SDG 2 eliminate global hunger, protect indigenous seed and crop varieties, doubling agri productivity and small farmers income by 2030. Sir Arthur Lewis dual model of economy, economic developing labor movement from agri to non-agri sector, agriculture become less important part of GDP. एग्रीकल्चर का डिक्रीज होना, सर्विस का बढ़ना, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का बढ़ना। इंडियंस इन एग्रीकल्चर वर्ल्ड बैंक डाटा 2011 से घट रहा है, 11 में 55%, उससे पहले घट रहा है 2018 में 42%, स्टेडली फॉलिंग डाउन। विद इन एग्री एंड एलाइड सेक्टर हाईएस्ट प्रोडक्शन मनी वाइज, क्रॉप का ज़्यादा है, फिर लाइफ स्टॉक है, फिर फॉरेस्ट्री, फिर फिशिंग। इन रिसेंट ईयर्स शेयर ऑफ एग्री इन द GDP, total GDP is approx 16 to 17%. Agriculture and allied sectors, Ministry of Agri and Farmers Welfare or Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, set up in 2019. तो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड फार्मर्स वेलफेयर में पहले देखते हैं डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड फार्मर्स वेलफेयर। इसमें स्टैट्यूटरी कोकोनट डेवलपिंग बोर्ड, NCDC प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ प्लांट वेराइटीज़ एंड फार्मर्स राइट्स अथॉरिटी, CBSC नेशनल सीड कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड, ऑटोनॉमस कोऑपरेटिव नेफेड बॉडीज़। और ठीक इधर है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च एंड एजुकेशन, सेंट्रल एग्रो यूनिवर्सिटी @इम्फाल मणिपुर, पूसा बिहार, झांसी यूपी, ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी ICAR कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र। फिर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फिशरीज, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री एंड डेयरिंग, इसमें डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एनिमल हस्बेंड्री एंड डेयरिंग, स्टैट्यूटरी नेशनल डेयरी डेवलपमेंट बोर्ड NDDB। फिर यहाँ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फिशरीज है। कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज एंड न्यू मिनिस्ट्री, कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी इज अ वॉलेंट्री association of a person who join together with the motive of welfare of members and or prevent exploitation by middlemen. Example, farmers of Kheda, Gujarat region were exploited by middlemen in milk trade. S.V. Patil advised them to sell milk by forming cooperatives association 1940, which later evolved into Amul. Features of benefits: voluntary membership, legal status or stable existence, formed by minimum 10% and registered under state law if single state cooperative society, union, multi-state cooperative society act 2002, example NAFED. It is separate artificial legal person, equal voting, one person one vote, service and welfare motive, no driven by desire of profit, support from government, low taxes and subsidies, low interest on loans. Types: first, consumer cooperative society, purchase of goods in bulk from wholesalers, sells goods to members, eliminating of middlemen's commission. Second, producers cooperative society, small scale producer buying raw material directly from sources, example Amul, elimination middleman commission. Third, farmers cooperative societies. Fourth, marketing cooperative societies help producers selling their products, example Trifed, Ministry of Tribal. 5, credit cooperative societies collect money from member, loans to member at affordable rates. 6, cooperative housing societies to help member getting house by pooling land or money. फिर dedicated new ministry. Agri input land. India 17% of world population but nearly 2.5% of land of the world. Agri is purely land-based activity. Size and quality of land has direct bearing on agriculture productivity and farmers' income, land ownership, social value or security against credit. Challenges: rising population, division of land among heirs, fragmentation of land holdings, Small sized farmers are not conducive for farm machinery. Productivity come. Solutions: small and marginal farmers should be encouraged to join MFG or service sector. Manufacturing service sector jobs, selling their land to big farmers, land consolidation or land reforms. Land reforms in India after independence, Jamindari abolition, Vinoba Bhave movement, sealing on land holding laws to protect tenants farmer, nationalization, land record, modernization program 2008, Department of Land Revenue, Ministry of Rural Development. Forest Right Act 2006, which gives patta to forest dwellers if that family cultivated there for 75 years. Land is a state subject. Agri input, seeds. Since we cannot drastically increase the area under cultivation, so agriculture productivity or yield depend greatly on seed quality. For best yield, hybrid seed must replace every year. Non-hybrid seed must replace every 3 years. But in India, seed replacement rate is less than optimum because new seeds are not affordable, not available to all farmers. So government approved 100% FDI in seed development. Route automatic. Seed village. Group of farmers in a village given training to produce seeds of various crops so they can fulfill seed demand for their own and neighboring villages. Seed bank or vault. It is repository that stores seeds to preserve genetic diversity. Supply seeds during unforeseen conditions. Agro Ministry gives funding for above two initiatives. Green Revolution. It refers to large increase in food production with the help of high yielding varieties HYV of hybrid seeds. Phase 1 1960 to 70 focus on wheat, rice and more affluent states such as आंध्रा तमिलनाडु पंजाब आंध्रा तमिलनाडु गेहूं चावल ज़्यादा समृद्ध राज्यों में. Phase 2 1970s 80s HYV seeds were spread to a larger number of states. अन्य राज्यों में हरित क्रांति का प्रसार. Biofortification. It is a process by which nutritional quality of food is increased. Example ICR developed CR 310. Rice higher protein and zinc. Germany golden rice for vitamin A. GM crop, hybrid seed or GM seed. Hybrid seed developed by cross breeding, cross pollination with other plants. GM seeds, genetically modified seeds are developed by transferring selected genes from one organism to other. इसमें बैक्टीरियम बैक्यूलस थोरिंग इंसेक्टेड इन कॉटन, फिर बेटी कॉटन, फिर बोल्स वॉर्म पेस्ट जो है वो ख़त्म. GM regulation EPS 1986 Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee. GEAC conducts studies and recommends approving GM crop in India. MOEFCC gives final permission. 2002 Environment Ministry allowed only BT cotton in India. 2017 GEAC recommend Environment Ministry to allow GM mustard in India, but 2018 GEAC did U-turn. ST BT cotton herbicide tolerant BT cotton variety is not approved in India, yet some farmers illegally use such seeds. GM rubber for NE 2021. Commerce Ministry, फिर रबर बोर्ड स्टैट्यूटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रबर रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया केरला, फिर डेवलपिंग वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट GM रबर फॉर NE. मैंगनीज containing super oxide dismutase gene helps plant surviving in cold condition. GM soy meal import allowed for animal feed 2021. Agri input water irrigation. Supply of water to crops at different intervals is called irrigation. India 17% of world's population, 2.5% of land of world, 4% of world's water resources. India is water stressed country. More than 50% agri depend on rainfall. Countries with large areas underground water irrigation. इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा, फिर चाइना, फिर USA. Irrigation water productivity is defined as ratio of crop output to the irrigation water applied. MSP, heavily subsidized electricity, water plus fertilizer equal to 60% of water is consumed by water intensive crops like paddy or sugarcane. By 2050, India will be in global hotspot for water insecurity. Agri input fertilizer. Manure or compost is natural substance from decomposition of organic waste, whereas fertilizer is an artificial chemical prepared in factories to boost nutrients in soil. Fertilizer or note: nitrogen and urea. Haber process: natural gas methane converted into ammonia NH3, further processing to create urea. Thus, urea production requires natural gas import. Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer statutory fixes the retail selling price of urea using Essential Commodity Act 1955, Fertilizer Control Order 1985. यूरिया सब्सिडी 100% यूनियन सेंट्रल सेक्टर स्कीम. इसके बाद फॉस्फोरस पी 80 to 85% demand is met by import. ISRO using remote sensing technology to identify the potential mines for rock phosphate. Potash K 100% demand met by import. Ideal NPK ratio in soil 4:2:1. For India it is 8:3:1. Because subsidized cheap urea extensive use result in soil and underground pollution. Subsidized urea smuggled to non-agro purpose, also called also to Bangla and Nepal. Increased subsidy burden, increased fiscal deficit. To prevent urea misuse, nutrient-based subsidy 100% union. रुपए सब्सिडी पर केजी. एन नाइट्रोजन पे 19 रुपये, फॉस्फोरस पे आप पोटेशियम एक सेकेंड ये आपका फॉस्फोरस पे 15 रुपये और पोटेशियम पे आपका 11 रुपये, सल्फर पे आपका 4 रुपये. 100% यूनियन. सॉयल हेल्थ कार्ड 2015 नॉट 100% बाई यूनियन. स्टेटस ऑफ सॉयल विद रिस्पेक्ट टू 12 पैरामीटर्स. माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स NPK. माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स जिंक Fe, Cu, MnB. 2. Sulfur. Physical parameters: pH, electrical conductivity, organic carbon. Every 3 year test and updation. Agri finance, negotiable warehouse receipts (NWR). Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Warehouse Development and Regulatory Authority (WDRA). Law in 2007. Farmers deposits his produce into WDRA registered warehouse and gets negotiable warehouse receipt. Use of NWR can be pledged it in banks to obtain loans for net cropping cycle. Trade it via commodity market exchange e-name. Agri selling e-loan selling e-nam. E-National Agriculture Market. Nodal Agro Ministry 2016. Small Farmers Agri Business Consortium. e-nam aims to connect the existing 580 plus APMC across India through a web portal, thus enabling interstate and intrastate within state trade of agriculture commodity. Remove information asymmetry between buyers and sellers and help in real-time price discovery based on actual demand and supply. e-NWR will be integrated with e-nam. This will help merchants buy e-NWR from e-nam. Agri selling grams. Grameen Agriculture Markets. Nodal Agro Ministry and NABARD funds for Agri Market Infrastructure Fund. Grameen HOTS are owned by local bodies, panchayats, state government, cooperatives, APMC and private sector. Total 22,000 of them. Budget 2018. We will upgrade Grameen HOT. Link them with e-nam so farmer can directly sell from nearby gram hut. Agri selling APMC. Ordinance in 2020 later became Act will prevail over State APMC Act. State APMC Act और Union Ordinance Act in 2020. तो पहले देखते हैं State APMC Act. Intra-state provision only. Union Ordinance Act 2020 में covers both intra और inter-state trade. स्टेट APMC में आपका है फर्स्ट एग्रीकल्चर Rural trade can be conducted only at mandis. Union में at any place like farm gates, factory, warehouse, cold storage, mandis, cooperative societies etc. State वाले में state APMC में some states did not cover all agri produce or commodities. Union में covers food produce, cereals, oilseed, vegetables. Poultry, piggery, fisheries, dairy, cotton, jute, cattle, fodder. स्टेट एपीएमसी में नैरो डेफिनेशन. यूनियन वाले में आपका फार्मर मीन्स एनी पर्सन और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन्वॉल्व इन प्रोड्यूसिंग अबव रॉ कमोडिटीज़. स्टेट एपीएमसी में आपका डू नॉट हैव क्लियर प्रोविजन फॉर दिस. यूनियन वाले में आपका है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रेडिंग परमिटेड, प्राइवेट प्लेयर्स अलाउड टू सच ई प्लेटफॉर्म, यूनियन विल डिसाइड. फिर यूनियन में आपका बायर मस्ट पे फार्मर विद इन 1 to 3 वर्किंग डेज. डिस्प्यूट कंप्लेंट टू एसडीएम, डीएम कलेक्टर, एडिशनल कलेक्टर. फिर स्टेट वाले एपीएमसी में स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एपीएमसी मंडीज यूज टू चार्ज मार्केट फीस, सेस और लिवाई ऑन फार्मर फॉर सेल. यूनियन में नो यूनियन और स्टेट ट्राई यूनियन टैक्स, स्टेट टैक्स ऑन सच सेल एंड परचेज ऑफ रॉ कमोडिटी. एग्रीकल्चर आपका स्टेट लिस्ट में, इंटर स्टेट ट्रेड कॉमर्स यूनियन लिस्ट में, ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स यूनियन लिस्ट. फिर एग्री सेलिंग एमएसपी. अंडर द स्टेट एपीएमसी एक्ट द फर्स्ट सेल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर कमोडिटी कैन अकर एट एपीएमसी ओनली. हाउएवर अ फार्मर मे नॉट गेट रिम्यूनरेटिव प्राइस एट द मंडी ड्यू टू bumper production, supply more, market price down. So cartelization price fixed by mandi merchants. So to protect farmer, Government of India announces MSP before each crop sowing session. MSP covers which crops? For 22 crops MSP plus 1 sugar cane FRP. 14 kharif crops grown in summer and monsoon: paddy, jowar, bajra, maize, ragi, अरहर, मूंग, उड़द, सोयाबीन, ग्राउंडनट इन शेल, सनफ्लावर, सेसम, नाइगर सीड, कॉटन. 6 राबी क्रॉप ग्रोन इन विंटर सेशन: wheat, barley, gram, मसूर, lentil, mustard, safflower. 3 commercial cash crops: jute, copra, sugarcane, coconut, FRP. MSP competition Swaminathan Committee. Commission for Agri Cost and Prices ACP recommends MSP and FRP for sugar. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs chaired by PM CCEA approves and announces MSP. CACP's computation method. A2 actual cost directly incurred by farmer or seed, fertilizer, pesticide, hired labor, depreciation, farming, building or machinery, interest on working capital, diesel or electricity. FL imputed cost of unpaid family labor. 1.5 into A2 plus FL. This will be official MSP from budget 2018 onwards. So 50% of profit on cost of production. National Commission on Farmers 2006 headed by scientist MS Swaminathan had suggested 50% profit but using C2 formula computed lot of costs like rent on his own land etc. If government use C2 formula, MSP becomes very high, higher budgetary allocation, fiscal deficit increase. So government is using A2 plus FL formula only. MSP procurement. Central agencies namely FCI 1964 to 65 statutory, Cotton Corporation of India CCI, Jute Corporation of India JCI, Central Warehousing Corporation CWC, NAFED National Consumer Cooperative Federation of India, National Consumer Cooperation Federation of India. फिर Small Farmers and Agri Business Consortium will purchase entire quantity offered by farmers. That is open-ended procurement, no quota limitations. Collectively, this entire mechanism is called Market Intervention Scheme, Price Support Scheme. Central Sector Scheme 100% by Union paid. From FCI's point of view, economic cost of food grain is MSP to farmers plus bonus to farmers if any, usually during election times. Procurement incidentals: truck drivers, loaders, diesel etc. go down. Cost of distribution: PDS shops, MDM school etc. cobweb phenomenon or cycle. Farmer observes high price for specific crop. High willingly opt to produce more of it next year. If all farmer thinks with this mindset, excessive production and supply of particular commodity, price will drop. Farmer then stop cultivating it in next cycle. ये ऐसे चलता ही रहेगा. Sectors agro allied animal husbandry. Article 48 DPSP requires state to organize animal husbandry on modern and scientific lines, preventing and improving breeds and prohibiting the slaughter of cows and other cattle. India first in milk production, fifth in meat production. Livestock census. Department of Animal Husbandry conducts census every 5 years since 1990 to 2018-19. India has world's largest livestock population. White Revolution. India ranks first, accounting for 20% of world production. 1970 to 96 Operation Flood in 3 phases to set up dairy farmers cooperatives. White Revolution Scheme. Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Core Scheme, not 100% by union. Cow Welfare Cess. Punjab was first state to start levy cow welfare cess on sale of liquor or electricity, etc. Later Chandigarh, UP, Rajasthan also. Sector Agro Allied Fisheries. Blue Revolution. Department of Fisheries. India second largest fish producer, majority production inland fisheries. Frozen shrimp is India's largest exported seafood item. Mariculture, cultivation of marine organization in their natural environment in sea up to 12 nm from coast. Pink Revolution, meat and poultry industry. Sweet Revolution, honey.